Point of view, Waterslide videos are going viral right now, and the numbers are actually insane. If you look at this page called Spiral Panic, they are pulling 9.9 million views on one video and 1.1 million views on another. It is also completely unsaturated and incredibly easy to make with the right AI tools. To show you the proof, here is what I made in 10 minutes. Alright, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. The first thing you need to do is get some content ideas, so open up ChatGPT and paste in your first prompt to define your role as a viral content strategist. You can get all these prompts from my Discord. This prompt tells the AI to conceptualize hyper-realistic CGI water slides that trigger vertigo and a fear of large objects. Once you send that, the AI will generate a list of high-tension locations like an active volcano or a mega skyline in Tokyo. Look through the list and pick the one that sounds the most terrifying. Now copy your second prompt from my Discord, which turns those ideas into specific image and motion prompts for a video generator. You will paste this into the same chat and then copy the description for the Tokyo Mega Skyline slide or the active volcano slide. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the Creator Reward Program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. Next, you need to turn these descriptions into actual video. Go to Ghostscript using the link in the description and click the button to start a new chat. Select the Kling 3.0 model from the drop-down menu at the top to ensure you get the best cinematic quality. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the full text for the Tokyo skyline prompt, including the image and motion details. Head back to Kling and paste that text directly into the message box at the bottom. Hit the arrow to send it and wait for the AI to process the request. While that is generating, go back to ChatGPT and grab the prompt for the active volcano slide. You can get all these prompts from my Discord. Return to Kling and open a new chat window so you can work on multiple videos at once. Paste the volcano prompt into the box and send it. You should see a loading icon while the engine builds the physics for the water and the lighting. Before we edit, if you want to get access to the best niches before I post them, and you want one-on-one coaching from me where I literally answer every question and my short-form content course, then join my community. It is the cheapest it will ever be right now. Now it is time to put it all together. Download CapCut using the link in the description and start a new project. Import the video files you just generated from Kling. Drag the Tokyo slide onto the timeline and trim the start so the action begins immediately. Search the audio library for water splashing and wind rushing sound effects to match the speed of the slide. You want to layer these sounds to create a realistic point of view experience. Once the audio is synced, export the video in 4K resolution and you are ready to post. If you want to master this workflow and scale your own channel, join my community for full coaching.